Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, where we explore the most amazing and bizarre facts on the planet. Today we are going to learn about the Goliath beetle, one of the largest and heaviest insects in the world. The Goliath beetle is named after the biblical giant Goliath, who was defeated by David. There are 6 species of Goliath beetles, all native to Africa. They can grow up to 4.5 inches long and weigh up to 1.8 ounces as adults. That's about the size of a human hand and the weight of a golf ball. But what's even more impressive is that their larvae can weigh up to 3.5 ounces, making them the heaviest insects by weight in the world. The larvae feed on rotting wood, fruit and animal remains, while the adults prefer sweet foods like tree sap and rotten fruit. Goliath beetles have a black and white striped thorax and a brightly colored abdomen. The males have horns on their heads that they use to fight for territory and mates. The females have wedge-shaped heads that they use to dig in the soil. Goliath beetles are strong flyers and can lift objects up to 850 times heavier than their own weight. They are also important for the ecosystem, as they help recycle organic matter and provide food for other animals. So there you have it, some shocking facts about the Goliath beetle, one of the weirdest animals on Earth. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your suggestions for the next weird animal we should cover. Thanks for watching and see you next time.